All right, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $160.14 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $1.23. And as always, that total includes the tax. We gotta keep it real out here on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of October 13th to October 19th, or October 12th to October 18th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So I'll be trying to do this every week. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away, get these deals right off, and do them the rest of the week. And also, I'm trying to build my channel up, so please hit the like button. Today's Thursday, the first day of the sale down south where I live, and let's see, yeah, as I mentioned, includes a tax. I mean, I saw the other day, like, a CVS haul, and she said, oh, I got this, and I only spent $9.50 or something, and I said, look at that stuff. I mean, there's at least $12, $13 worth of tax on some of that laundry detergent, body wash, all et cetera, et cetera. Anyways, who you kidding? I mean, let's keep it accurate here on our coupon boast here. All right, enough of that. Let me get right into these 12 or so best deals I did this week, and I did some of them before. You know, I got to do them again. So, and of course, it's the Tena pads deal, my favorite deal. And I mean, come on, a $10 and 36-cent overage on these 6 pads. So I mean, they're just regular price, $5.99. So for 6 of them with the tax, $38.64. And you're looking at using 3 of these store coupons that expires the 21st. You got some time on that, so use 3 of those, and that takes $15 off that $38.64. I used 6 of these manufacturer coupons. You can either print it. I got the link as well as a detailed breakdown below this video as well, or from the October 2nd Smart Source. There's also a $2 off. That expires October 16th, so better hurry up if you want to do this deal. So using 6 of those, took another 12 off. And then Checkout 51 has another rebate that reset every week. They kind of come back, so I'm happy about that. It's $4 off every 2 that you buy, so I got 6, so that was $12 back. And there is an Activate Rewards. I got the link for that below. It's a rebate, and that gives you $10 back in the mail. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks, so obviously I haven't gotten that, but I've gotten it before. So all said and done, those 6 pads were a $10.36 overage moneymaker. So gotta buy them. You know, when it helps you pay for the rest of the stuff, I think. So that's up to you. Anyways, keep going. Huggies wipes. I did this deal on Sunday. I hope you saw my video. If you didn't, it's a good deal on these guys. From the fall savings book, these are usually at the front of the store. They're getting harder and harder to come by because, you know, the deal comes out. Some deal like this comes out and everybody grabs them. So these are $2 off any Huggies items. So first off, let's get to the price of these guys. They're $2.79 each, and as you can see, I got 8 of them. With the tax, they come to $3 each. So 8 of them times 3 comes to $24. And then I maximized the amount of coupon. If there is no limit stated on the coupon, which this one just says 1 coupon per item. So I like how they put that per item. That's definitely better than 1 coupon per purchase verbiage. But 1 coupon per item. So Publix policy is if there's no, say, this one says 4 light coupons. So if there's nothing like that on there, they allow you to use 8. So I maximized. I got 8 wipes. So I could, and then I used 8 of these $2 off coupons. I took 16 off. And from the Mom Saver, I don't have it in front of me here, but I showed it in my last video. It's $1.50 off manufacturer coupon. So I used 8 of those, making that $24 spent, $16 from 8 of those, $12 from the manufacturer coupon, making that a $4 overage on those. So far a good start. We got a $10.36 overage and a $4 $14.36 overage. So hopefully that'll help us pay for the rest of the stuff here. Let's see here. You by Kotex. These are the 24 count, not at every store, but I did find it was $3.35 regular price. Also from that fall savings book. You can also print these, so I got a link to print that below. I believe they allow 2. I'm not sure, though. But you can also print this coupon. There's $1 off any pad or liner 129 count. And there's also Publix digital coupon for $1 off. A lot of Publix digital coupons this time, as I see that's kind of the trend. The paper coupon is kind of, going extinct, and it's digital coupons and about a rebate offers and stuff like that. So that newspaper is dying. Here we go. So $3.35, dollar off there, $1 off from the Publix digital coupon. Hopefully you still have it. Hopefully you watch my channel and know that clip every digital coupon whenever they come out, because that way you won't miss them. I mean, you can't promise they could still disappear even if you have it clipped, but you have a better chance of it not. So $1.35 for that. $3.35 minus $2 in coupons 1 and 1. It's $1.35 for that guy. All right, Cetaphill skin cleansing wipes. These are these guys, and they are regular price $7.49. So for 2 of them with the tax, $16.10. I used one of these $6 off of 2 manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source September 25th, $6 off. I used 2 of these, $2 off Cetaphill skincare. She did say, oh, this one says 1 coupon per item. I'm gonna say, yeah, well, I'm getting 2 items, so I can use that. These cashiers, I've been couponing 7-8 years every week. I know the policy. And maybe the cashier has been working at Publix for 3 months, and they're not encountering people coming in and buying everything with coupons all the time. So usually I know more than them and kind of have to help them, coach them, and the manager can come over. Sometimes I know more than the manager, but regardless, get off the sidetrack there. $16.10, $6 for the manufacturer September 25th, $2 and $2 on 2 of those store coupons. You're allowed to use a manufacturer and a store coupon. And also there is about a rebate for $1.50 off. And give me 2 of those, so it's $3 off. It cost me $3.10. Once again, all the about rebates I have clipped. I always line that receipt up perfectly, receipt edge, and sometimes it picks ones for higher values and everything, and I never argue with them. I just take it, but usually you're gonna win that way. So $3.10 there for those. All right, Morningstar. I got more sausage links. That was better. And the bacon is a little rough to eat. You got to get it like right while it's hot. Eat it right while it's hot, or it's like paper. But the sausage links here, regular price are $5.15 for 2 of them, $10.30. There is a manufacturer coupon. I got the link to print that below for $1 off. It says 4, so I could have probably gotten 4. I got just 2 this time. And took $1 off. I used 2 of those, so that took $2 off. And there is a buy one get one free coupon, and they corrected it. Last week it only took a $4.79 off. This week it actually took off $5.15, so I was happy. They adjusted it to match the price. Someone complained and they corrected it, as they should. I mean, the price is $5.15, so I mean, this is a store coupon. All right, and $1.25 off about a rebate, so 2 of those, $2.50 off. So let's see, $10.30 spent, $2 from the manufacturer coupons, $5.15 from the store coupon back, and $2.50 back from Ibotta. Made it only 65 cents for both of those. All right. Unfortunately, I didn't have any category coupons. Spend 50, get 10. I would have liked to, because I was way over 100 this time. Nature's Bounty Kids. All right, the kids gummies, just regular price $5.99. There is a digital coupon for $2 off. So hopefully you have that clipped. Probably last month or 2 months ago I clipped it, but $2 off on that. And then Ibotta has $3 back rebate. And check your Ibotta, you might have a Nature's Bounty bonus. I had that last time, it came off. Nothing this time. So just 99 cents total for that. All right, cinnamon toast. Cinadust. I did this last week, but I forgot to mention this deal. Swag Bucks is back. So Swag Bucks gives me 400 points on 2 of them. It used to be 600. 400 points on 2 of those. Made it $4 back on Swag Bucks. Checkout 51 has 71 cents back. Limit of 5, so 2 of those, $1.42. Now, The price of these were $2.99, then it went to $3.15 last week, and now it's $3.25 this week. So everything's going up. So $6.50 spent, $4 back from Swag Bucks, $1.42 back from Checkout 51, $1.08 total for those guys. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's keep it cinnamony here. So these are $4.98. Man, price of one box of cereal. Price of two boxes of cereal is about $10, and that's a small box. So $4.98. I mean, they put them on BOGO, and that's when everybody buys them. $4.98, so $9.96 for these two boxes. As I mentioned, they're on BOGO. $4.98 for both of them. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. It actually says Big G. General Mills, Big G. $2 off. Well, sorry, $1 off of every two you buy, so I took $1 off. There's an Ibotta, has 50 cents back, so I got two of those, so that was $1. And coupons.com and coupons.com gives you $1 off on that. So if you want to try that, $1.98 total for those two boxes from $9.96 to $1.98. So that's pretty good. All right, Cheetos Mac and Cheese. These are the little ones, and they are regular price $1.25. So both of them are $2.50. There is a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of two, so that took $1 off, and then Ibotta has 20 cents. I'm not sure if it's 20 cents on each one or just 20 cents. Anyways, I put it as 20 cents, and that cost me 80 cents for both of those. Kellogg's Pop-Tart. Actually, yes, there's one. Oh, I got it in here. All right, Kellogg's Pop-Tart. Pop-Tarts right there. $3.65, the regular price for our 8 count of Pop-Tarts. No tax on these because they are a food item. Although drinks sometimes have tax, sometimes don't. The amount of sugar in them depends on if they're taxed or not, or if they're ready to drink. I've seen two exact items, but different flavors, one be taxed and one not. I've seen that even happen. Regardless, no tax on these healthy foods here. Pop-Tarts, dollar. I mean, an apple I can understand, but these are $3.65 each. So for 3 of them, $10.95, and they are down to on sale for $2 each. So for 3 of them, they are $6 for 3 of them. So there is a Publix digital coupon that is $5 off of 3. I used it last week. I used a different account because there was only one of them, but $5 off of 3. If you have that Publix digital coupon, use that on that, and it makes it only $1 for all 3 of those Pop-Tarts. All right, Dannon Light and Fit. Oh, right there. Light and Fit yogurt, Publix digital coupon for a free one is $1.50. Takes $1.50 off when you enter your. I think I had 6 or 7 digital coupons. Takes $1.50 off when you enter in your phone number, making that completely free. Ibotta has 10 cents off any yogurt, so making it actually a 10-cent money maker. All right, last deal, Keopectate, and I was looking at every store. I finally found them on clearance. Oh yeah, so regular price $7.49. So for 4 of them, no tax on this health item, $29.96. However, they are on clearance for $3.19 each. So for 4 of them, cost $12.76. And this is actually the coupon next to it. I should have given you the other one, but it's $2. It says save $2.50 off. Keopectate Soft Chews 24 count. So I used 4 of those $2.50 off coupons. That took $10 off, making those 4 Keopectate only $2.76. So once again, $160 plus worth of groceries goods here, and had a $1.23 overage. Kept my streak alive now 2 straight years of every time going to the grocery store pretty much once a week, having an overage every week, and this week was no different. I'm still going to try to do more practical deals for you guys. There's one's coming up, but the save insert comes out this Sunday, so this 10/16 save insert. Once again, please subscribe to That Funny Looking Guy. Once again, check out my other videos. My past video I did on Sunday. Trying to post a video every week. I'll post some fun videos in there every once in a while, some how-to videos. And then that's actually my top video on my YouTube channel is a how-to video. So, all right, everybody, enjoy their couponing this week.